Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for cosplay. The main output of cosplay is to produce high-quality costumes with realistic and accurate looks. We all know that a quality printer is essential for bringing cosplay costumes to life, and that's why we are here to help you find the best 3D printer for your cosplay needs. To help you, we have compiled a list of 5 unique 3D printers that are perfect for cosplay. This printer is significant for users who can create 3D replicas of popular cosplay characters. For your convenience, we also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is SainSmart INFI-20 Belt 3D Printer. SainSmart INFI-20 Belt 3D Printer is the perfect choice for cosplay enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-quality printer to bring their designs to life. With its easy-to-assemble design, stable CoreXY structure, and improved bed adhesion, the INFI-20 delivers excellent print quality and reliability. The INFI-20 features a modern user interface that is easy to use, allowing you to keep track of your printer status. The rotary dial makes it easy to make numerical changes and access movements, while the specially designed SainSmart Slicer helps you get the most out of your infinite 3D printing journey. With the INFI-20, you can print models that are as long as you want or print as many items as you need over and over, limited only by the amount of filament you have at your disposal. The textured nylon conveyor belt delivers excellent print adhesion, ensuring that your prints are smooth and accurate every time. The SainSmart INFI-20 Belt 3D printer is the best 3D printer for cosplay enthusiasts who want a reliable, high-quality printer that is easy to use and delivers excellent results. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.